Hi, I'm Kladi, an award-winning Italian designer based in Manchester, UK, where I run my design practice, Studio Print My Soul. In this video, you will learn how to style your text to create a striking, clear, and memorable invitation. One of my clients, who owns a large chain of restaurants in the Manchester area, decided to celebrate his company's success with employees and investors. He needed an elegant invitation with a speedy turnaround. Join me and follow along to design their invitation ready for print in just a few minutes. Click on Create New. Name your file. Set the size to 4 inches by 6 inches. Also, set the bleed to 0.125 inches throughout and click on Create. The bleed is delimited by this red outline outside the artboard. This space will allow the printer some movement while trimming our printed goods. To create a background, you can browse for an image directly in Illustrator using the fantastic Adobe Stock by searching under the Libraries panel. Or to follow along, use the image provided in this video asset folder. To place the image, click on Shift-Command-P, that's Shift-Control-P on Windows, head over to the destination folder, click on the image called Background, and click on Place. Once the image is in place, select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle inside the artboard. Press the letter I on your keyboard to bring up the eyedropper tool. Select a dark color from the image, then head to the Properties panel and set the opacity to 50%. Give it a 3 points white stroke and align it to the center of the artboard vertically and horizontally. Head to the Layers panel and double-click on the layer. Give it a name, I'll call it Background, and tick the lock to keep the image in place. You can unlock the layer at any time by clicking once on the little lock next to the layer name. Now create a new layer using the icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Let's bring in the text. Use the shortcut Shift-Command-P, that's Shift-Control-P on Windows, and head over to the Assets folder. Select the invitation text file and click on Place. Then click on OK. Click once on your pasteboard and drag to create a text area that will allow enough space for the entire text. With the text area still selected, use the Properties panel to start styling the text. Under the character options, I'm choosing a legible font called Sophia, and you can use the same or pick one of your choice. Align the paragraph to the center. I will also select a white fill to generate contrast between the text and the background. When done, go to the window menu, select Type and Paragraph Styles. The Paragraph Styles panel will come up. I'm going to click on the small icon at the bottom to create a new style. Click on the new style and give it a name. I will call it Main Copy. To make the invite appealing and easy to read, let's create a new style. Select the appropriate line of text, like the date, and select the eyedropper tool to pick one of the colors from our photo to keep the design cohesive. Then, change the font weight to bold and the size to 14. Once done, go to the Character Style panel and create a new style. I will name it Bold Text. The character style will retain the main paragraph formatting and will allow overriding character variations. Click on OK. To assign the styles to other paragraphs, double-click on the text and pick the correct style created from the panel. Let's finish our lover invite by creating another paragraph style. For this text, I will use a font called Alfresco, and I'll give it a size of 40 points. Use the eyedropper tool to select a color, then create a new paragraph style. Double-click on the new paragraph style to give it a name, and head to Indents and Spacing to insert some space before and some space after the paragraph. This will allow some breathing space and help the reader. Click on OK to commit changes. Select the text area and drag it in the artboard by holding Option on Mac, that's Alt on Windows. When done, use the shortcut Shift-Command-O on Mac, that's Shift-Control-O on Windows, to convert the text into outline. To align the text inside the artboard, head to the Properties panel and align vertically and horizontally in the artboard. You're ready to save. To save, use the shortcut Shift-Command-S, that's Shift-Control-S on Windows, choose PDF format and click on OK. Let's select High Quality Print from the drop-down menu. To help the printer while cutting the artwork, select Marks and Bleed. Make sure both Trim Marks and Use Document Bleed are ticked. Click on Save PDF. Fantastic! The invitation is all set and ready for the printer. Now it's time for you to try out these techniques in your invitation. Again, I'm Kladi from Print My Soul, and I look forward to working with you in the next project to elevate your business communication strategy.